Your cycle will be dispatched on this type of carton box at 90% assembled condition. Please ensure for the right model and cycle's color receipt by verifying the sticker pasted on the side of the box. Please cut the top strips by using knife. After that, please cut the tag tied on the wheel with frame carefully. Take the front wheel and keep aside. Take out the full cycle and keep on the floor using a cycle stand. Remove the clamp in the handlebar stem and then cut the handlebar ties. Fit the handlebar in the handlebar stem at the center. Clamp the screws and tight properly. If it is a hydraulic brake type cycle, remove the pad from brake disc. Mount before inserting the front wheel. Insert the front wheel in such a way that disc is entering into the gap between brake pad and axle is sitting perfectly on the fork dropout. Insert the quick release clamp from one side of the axle. Put the spring and tight the quick release nut gently on the other side. Ensure the quick release clamp is pressed by your thumb pressure. If your cycle is V-brake type, please check the brake efficiency by rotating the wheel and applying the brake through brake lever. If the movement in the cable is more, then brake is not effective and it is to be adjusted. Loose the brake cable grip bolt. Press the brake calipers and maintain 2 mm gap between rim and brake shoe. Tight the cable grip bolt again in that position. Check the brake again by rotating the wheel and applying the brake. If your cycle is mechanical disc brake type, check the brake efficiency by rotating the wheel and applying the brake. If the movement is more in the cable, then the brake needs to be adjusted. Loose the brake cable grip screw. Pull the brake grip down and tight again. Check the brake again by rotating wheel and apply the brake. Please check if the front wheel quick release is in lock position. Please see the minimum insertion mark in the seat post bottom. The length shown on this are to be ensured and inserted into the seat tube always. You can adjust the seat in any height, ensuring the minimum insertion level is maintained always. Ensure the seat post is clamped properly by quick release clamp and the seat is not moving. Please see the L mark on one pedal and R mark on another pedal, which has to be matched properly during assembly for the right side to avoid thread damage in the pedal and pedal arm. Please insert the pedal in the pedal arm thread by your hand first. And then tight properly with spanner. Fill the air pressure as per the value given on the tire. Rotate the wheel and ensure smooth rotation.